I just did a lot of writing. I actually wrote this down, copied it mostly word for word from my college algebra book that my dad used. It's the Boundedness Theorem. And it's a way to see if you're too high or too low for zeros. For finding zeros. In the next few videos, we're going to also go over some tests and ways you can find zeros. So the Boundedness Theorem. So let's let f of x be a polynomial of a degree at least 1, so of degree n, where n is greater than or equal to 1, and a positive leading coefficient. That is, the a, whatever is the first term, is not negative. When f of x is divided by x minus c synthetically, there's two things that can happen. Here's the first thing. If c is greater than 0, and the bottom row is non-negative, and by bottom row, they mean that stuff that you get in the division. So, let's say that's, I'm just going to put random junk here, like squiggle, triangle, circle, square, rectangle. Let's just treat these as numbers. Of course, that's going to be a triangle. And if this is all positive, if that's all positive, if it's all non-negative, sorry if I'm repeating myself, trying to find a way to explain this on the fly, but if this is all non-negative, then the function f of x doesn't have a 0 greater than that c. So, meaning, if that's all non-negative, there's no 0 greater than c, and your tested c was too high. So that's the first condition. The second condition is if c is less than 0, meaning whatever's in that box is negative. If c is less than 0, and the bottom row alternates in sign, where 0 is treated as a positive or negative, where needed, then f of x doesn't have a 0 less than c. So that means you're too low. And that alternation, what that means, let me just erase that junk I kind of did there. What that alternation means is, like, say on the bottom row you get like 3, minus 6, 0, minus 2, and 4. These alternate in sign, and the 0 is treated as a positive number here. This alternates in sign, and whatever you use for c, that's too low. No, there is no 0 lower than that. You're too low. So the Boundedness Theorem is a great trick to figure out where you are, how close you are, and if your 0 that you're testing is too high or too low.